because I kind of like Shein. I'm not gonna lie, I kind of like Shein. But before I start with the little try on haul, I want to thank Firmoo for sending me these glasses. So I wear glasses now, y'all. I wear glasses. If you follow me on Instagram, if you follow me on Snapchat, then you know that I now wear glasses, and myself knew I could not see as good as I wanted to see, so I went to the eye doctor, got a prescription, and Firmoo was gracious enough to send me these glasses. So my experience shopping with them was really nice. They have so many different pair of glasses, and I decided to go with this frame right here because I figured, you know, I have an oval face and pretty much bigger, rounder, or even sometimes square glasses look good on me. So I figured this would look nice, and I got them in clear. Since they gifted me this, I didn't pay for them, but they would have been like, they have prices as low as $25 for glasses. I did pay like $5, I believe, to get like the glossy some type of like film over the glasses to protect them from like scratching or something. The glasses that I have on right now are in the style S8723X. I'll leave it on the screen, and I'll also leave more details about Firmoo in the description. But pretty much I have a lens that pretty much helps me to deal with certain lightings better, like especially sunlight. I realized that my eyes are really sensitive to light, so I have a kind of like a thick lens that will protect my eyes. And then I found out I have astigmatism, so that's probably why I was having issues with being able to see at night, as well as my eyes would be a little bit dry and I would rub them. So she told me, you know, you have astigmatism, nothing major. I don't have a heavy prescription or anything, but I really wanted a cute pair of glasses, and I knew that Firmoo was going to give me that. Clear, because I wanted them to match like anything I wore that day or whatever. But I do plan on getting like a couple extra pair because there are some pair that I really wanted, but for my first pair I really wanted something that would go with anything. I actually used their feature where you can pretty much import a picture of yourself to help you try on different glasses, and that also helped me like see what type of glasses would look good on me. I also made sure that I just directly imported my prescription, so if you don't know what to fill out or anything like that, they make it so easy for you by just allowing you to literally import your prescription that way and get your glasses like boom, like that, you have glasses. It probably took maybe about 2 weeks for me to get my glasses, so shipping is not that long. I do have a coupon code for you guys, and I will leave it on the screen for you guys. It will allow you to get your first pair of glasses for $9.95 with free US shipping. So I'm sure if any of you guys are students like me and you need a new pair of glasses, or you just want a pair of glasses that aren't prescription and you just want to wear glasses just to be cute like it's an accessory, then go ahead and check out Firmoo. I will leave any details that I skipped out on down in the description box, but I just wanted to let you guys know your girl is wearing glasses now and she is cute in them, okay? Period. So I'm going to keep these on throughout the whole, I'm going to keep this on throughout the whole video, so we can go ahead and get started with this haul. So yeah, I heard a lot about Shein on YouTube, but for some reason, like, even though I've seen it all the time, I never really actually shopped there until now, when I realized like it's summer and these people are wilding with these swimsuit prices. So listen, Shein is very affordable, you guys, very affordable. So we're gonna start off with an accessory that I got from Shein. And this is just a transparent bag. It is black in the back. It does have a chain, but you can shorten the chain like this too if you just want to put it on your shoulder. I, for some reason, feel like the chain is kind of an awkward length, or maybe I'm just used to chains that are a little bit longer. Honestly, I do not know what it says. I should look into that. And this bag also came with another little black baggie to put inside, so you have an option of if you want to wear it or not. Then you just close it like this and pretty much lock it up. So I wanted something that was gonna also go with anything I wore, no matter how bright my outfit is, no matter what type of print I have on. It's summertime, I'm trying to get a little bit colorful with my life, So I figured this bag would be a really good thing to have in my collection. It's a decent quality. Like, I really like transparent bags, so I'm gonna start getting more into like the whole transparent thing. Shein also did send me this little coin pouch, so sometimes I'll put that in there, sometimes I don't, but it's just like something to put coins in, or you could put it on your keychain, just like a little gift I guess they gave me since I got the bag. I'm not sure if like every time you get a bag from them if it will come with another little one, but I really like appreciate it because we be needing places to put these coins. Is this it's a two-piece, so it's a two-piece set, and it's one of those, all right, it's one of the ones that look like bras that have the underwiring under it. So I just want to say, like, if you have like a larger bust, a base swimsuit like this may be a little bit tricky. It does not really like fold. It's kind of one of those things, if you're trying to pack, it's hard to. So that's why I'm going to show you guys it like try on style. I love the color. The quality is really good. It has some adjustable bands in the back and I really like it. This swimsuit right here is really comfortable. The only thing is I low-key kind of wish I went up to a size large, just because certain times of the month, whenever my body feel like being bloated and floated, you know what I mean, my breasts will not fit in this, like they will kind of spill out, but it does cover my chest, and being able to adjust the straps really does help me. It does have a metal, it takes me a little bit to figure out how to fasten it, but it has a little metal hook right here that wait, not that way, but they're a little, so these are the bottoms, and they are thong style, but they are thicker than, like, you know, your average thong bottom. It's not just like floss, it has a thicker band. You're okay with showing your skin, which I am. I mean, we're on the beach, it's hot, we're at the pool, it's hot, so you know, I love this. I love it so much. I love the color, and I might get it in other colors. Next bikini that I'm going to show you guys, technically it is like, you know, a two-piece, but I'm looking at it kind of as like a two-piece plus a cover up with these lime green bottoms, like lime green, so pretty with that neon green trend. It does cover a lot more of your butt than the other swimsuit that I showed you guys. Is very stretchy, so I love this. It feels so comfortable. It doesn't really have a lining in it, so I don't really feel comfortable with the bottoms, which is why I'm glad it comes with the cover up. The top of it is pretty standard, just like a bandeau bra. The only thing I don't like about this is that it has padding in there that you guys can see. Like, the padding moves around and it just makes my breast look uneven, so I'm definitely taking the padding out. My breast uneven with the padding, so I'm taking that out. But this is really a really pretty set, especially on darker skinned women. Like, we look amazing in neon, so don't be afraid of neon. So this is like the first part of the two-piece, and then it comes with these bottoms. So the bottoms may look like large on camera, but they're really not. They actually come up a little bit high waist, so they're kind of like shorts, kind of like not. It's kind of like having a boy short with some net material, so you can mix and match. See, so you guys can mix and match this with any other bathing suit that you have. That's really why I got it, so I can mix and match. So even if I wanted to take that orange bottom and put it under here, like I got Spirit at Firmoo, then that's exactly what it's gonna look like. Then you have the top. So you have the top. Now the top was a little bit confusing for me because kind of like, I don't know if it's supposed to be a off the shoulder or on my shoulder, or I don't know if it's just the way my shoulders are set up. Like, it looks wide enough to be like off the shoulder, but when you put it on, it kind of like forces you to bring it up. So I don't know if it's one of those things where I have to wear it more or whatever, but I like this, and I like that it has this band here. So what I really like about, you can cover up if you want to. You can wear the top with the top together. Don't wear the top if you don't even want to. Just wear the mesh top if that's how you feeling that day. You can wear the bottoms with the mesh or without. So it's pretty much like you're getting, you know, like two outfits or two bathing suits or whatever in one. The last swimsuit that I have is a one piece for those days where I just feel like I'm not together. I eat what I want when I want, and it's showing type of vibes. That's what this is. So this it's not just a regular bathing suit, so it is a one shoulder type of thing. It's a one piece. It looks really small on camera, and I'm not gonna lie, it is just a little bit too small for me. Like, I wish I had a little bit more space, but it could also be the way I tied it. So when you purchase this swimsuit, as you guys can see right here, it does have like some rope here, and that rope holds the entire side. So if this thing pop, or if you don't tie it right, everybody gonna see your whole side ass. Like your whole side ass is gonna be out, because I put it on, the whole thing popped, and my friend had to let me tie it. So ask somebody if they can help you tie it, you know, to secure. Just, you need to secure it, okay? Secure it. But I really like this bathing suit. Black is always very slimming. Me personally, I can wear black 365 and not get hot, so I really like that. It's a decent material. The only thing is, like I said, it does feel a little bit snug, but I think that's due to the way that we tied it. Didn't know how to tie it. And this also, once again, comes with that like mesh, not mesh, comes with that padding inside that moves around. So all of these swimsuits that have padding, I will be taking the padding out. Like, I don't get when they're gonna learn. Like, the padding is not beneficial. It's not beneficial. Like, it's just not. I'm gonna show you guys is yet another, it's another cover up, and it's all mesh, and I never had a cover up like this before. So it is black, my favorite color, but it also has like pearls on it, and I really like that because I don't know, I just like it. I feel like it gives it an extra, little oomph. So yeah, it has really wide sleeves, very thin, very breathable, just something to cover you up and give you an extra little oomph with your outfit. You don't only have to wear cover-ups with swimsuits. I just want to say, like, you can find a way to incorporate your cover-up into like an outfit. Like, I wore this with a black like bodycon dress, and it pretty much made it look like sleeves, and then I like tied it to the back so you can see. And I like it. I think it's just a really cute little cover-up, period. The next outfit I have is this dress. Okay, so I know y'all can't really see the dress how it's supposed to be seen. That's why this is a try on haul, and you guys get to see it trying on, right? But the thing about this dress is, you guys, if you're gonna wear this dress, wear it somewhere dark. Wear it somewhere where you're not gonna be flash photographied, you know. Wear it somewhere like, you know, where you're okay with being a little bit nipples to the wind vibe, because it is see-through. You can see my face through this dress. So that's the thing about like getting cheaper clothes. There's always a catch. There's always a catch, and I got caught this time because this dress was amazing to me, but to me, I feel like it is pretty much a maxi. Well, it's pretty much a like a little maxi dress with some asymmetrical bottom. But the only thing about this dress is that it's see-through. I love how it looks. It's not too tight, and you can pretty much shift the arm where you want to, so the arm will like reach over to the other side. But it is see-through, sis, and if you have a smaller chest, honestly, you could go a size down. So I got this in a medium, but I could have really just did a small with this particular dress. Luckily it's black, but if it was like white or any other color, you would be literally seen. All right, so yeah, that's this dress, and I still think it's really cute. I think it's cute for the beach, cute for a little date or something like that. So the last item that I'm going to show you guys are these heels. So I have been wearing these heels, because I want to really find out if I like them or not, and I do like them. So they are they have a wood bottom right here, and they are worn, you guys, so I'm sorry if they're a little bit dusty. We have a lot of dirt in Tallahassee, but they are a really nice gray snake print. So that's why I got them, for the snake print. Now, I'm normally not a snake print girl, but this isn't so like snake printy, if you guys know what I mean. Like, it's not like crazy snake print. Like, it's a nice subtle snake print that doesn't make my skin crawl, and it's neutral colors that pretty much go with everything. The heel is very comfortable, but the shoes as a whole, they're very hard, and they're definitely going to need an insole. So this is my first pair of shoes. Now, the shoes were like the most expensive thing that I bought from Shein, and with that being, and since I paid like, I think I paid like 20 something for these, the little the little strap, the little part that goes in the hole on the strap or whatever to, you know, hold your ankle in, that already popped. So I have to figure out how to fix that. If you guys know how to fix those things, please let me know. But I do overall like these shoes and feel like they are not an unbearable length. I would say this is like maybe a 4.5 inch heel. That's pretty much all I got from Shein, you guys. Like, I'm gonna be going back because I'm going to Essence Fest and on July 4th weekend. So if y'all are gonna be out there, DM me, Snapchat me, leave it in the comments. Maybe we could link up and act up together, because that's exactly what I'm gonna be doing out there, trying to like slay. So I'm already trying to plan. So let me know if you guys want to see like a video of like how I'm preparing for Essence Fest. Like, I'm gonna do my eyebrows, I'm gonna do my lashes, I'm gonna do all that stuff. So let me know if you guys would like videos like that. I think it's called like what I spent in a day type of video, but it's gonna be budget friendly. So so yeah, let me know about that. And also check out my latest video, which is a mukbang video. I also showed you guys how I refresh my hair. Those of you guys that are wondering about my hair, I already have a tutorial. It is linked below. I have all these items linked below, and I'm gonna start doing better with leaving this stuff in the description box like I said I would. I'll see you guys in the next one, and be blessed. Stay cool out here. It's hot.